this video I will guide you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. If you want to fix this problem, so update your software. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset. Scroll down to and click on factory data reset and click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart devices. Click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.